this look crazy. You know what I'm saying? So I need to get something better. Siri, what's 21 times 8? Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Raven and I'm a fashion stylist and content creator. But on my channel, I talk about fashion, press-on nails, beauty, and a little bit of lifestyle. This is a requested video. It is a video on my nail collection and current storage solution. This will be a short video, so let's get into it. For my current nail storage solution, I'm still using these bins. I did a video on these some time ago. I can't even remember when, but I'll be sure to link it up here. But I did a video on these bins that I got from Target a while ago. They were only $6. I'm still obsessed with them. And they fit 22 nails this way. I guess you could put them up this way. I stack these, so that's why I don't put them up. I put them down. And for the most part, my nails are color coded. So as you can see, this one here starts with like a white color, and then it ends, I think this one ends with pink. Yeah, it ends with like a pinkish color in the back, and then it continues from there. My handmade press-ons and like my nail kits and sets, some of them are in a bin like this, some of them are in other types of bins. I really do need to go through these and figure out like which ones I'm really going to wear and which ones I'm not going to wear, because I've had these for a while now, and some of them I just haven't gravitated towards because I get new nails, you know. But these bins are perfect. You can see here how they stack on top of each other. It's just really convenient. Everything stays on this one shelf. It's not the neatest thing in the world, okay? But it's like the perfect size for these nails. Don't judge me, judge your mom, okay? A lot of my handmade nails or nail sets are in here. I have a few in those other bins, but majority of them are in here because they wouldn't fit in those other bins before. This really wasn't going to fit in there any kind of like nice way. And usually any new ones I get, I just throw in this bin. I need to get a better storage solution for this because y'all can see this look crazy. You know what I'm saying? So I need to get something better, but this is where it's at right now. This bin I think was also like under $10 at Target. And I believe this also might be stackable. If I can still find it, I'll link it in the description box. This is what I use. Child, it's a mess, but it is what it is for things that I gravitate towards and need to grab very quickly. So I have like alcohol prep pads, anything that comes with the set of nails, minus the nail sticky tabs, I usually put in here. So if it comes with a nail file, I'll throw it in here. The alcohol prep pads, I'll throw in here as well. Any cuticle pushers and cuticle cleaners, I'll do that. I bought a set of these Marquardt nail files that I'm like obsessed with. They are really gritty and they just, you know, whenever you need to rough up anything, this will get the job done if I'm not using my nail drill. And I have about, I think about like a set of 10 of these. So the extra ones are in here. My Marquardt glue, honey, is in here. My extra glue, this is the brush on one. I think this is called from like Super Strong Nail Blonde. This is in here. I have a few of those. Got a lot of this Marquardt glue, and then I got this like random set of nails in here as well. But this is perfect because everything can kind of be in its own little like compartment. I usually have my Sally Beauty nail glue in here as well, but that's set aside for another video that we're doing on nail glue, honey. So anything I use a lot, my favorite gel top coat usually is in here, but it's open, it's on my shelf, so it's easy to just like grab and go. Siri, what's 21 times 8?
21 times 8 is 168.
Okay, so this is what my current nail collection looks like. There's a mix of Shein, a mix of Amazon, a mix of Temu, a mix of pretty much everything in here. And then I also have a bunch of hand painted nails as well. Those were in that box that you just saw. But in these bins, and then I have like a stack that I still have not incorporated into these bins, child, that's just sitting here off to the side, as you can see. Okay, it's roughly about 150 nails. I need to get rid of nails. I also need to start wearing them more because I don't always wear nails, but for the most part I do. But then I get in these seasons where I'm like, I don't feel like putting on not near one a nail. Okay, So I need to start wearing them so I can start clearing out some and putting some more in. It's just a lot of nails, y'all. And then the nails on the side I have not incorporated into these nails because I'm literally going to have to like rearrange all of these bins because they are packed in there, honey. So I might just have to stack them on top because there is like a little bit of room on top of the nails that are like sandwiched that I could just lay some nails on top of there to just at least get them in the bin, honey. I'm really trying to like only wear hand painted nails. So that's another reason why it's hard for me to get through these like Shein and Amazon Temu nails because I have to add a top coat on them, which is irritating at times. Or if they do have like any kind of embellishments on them, they start to fall off after a little bit. And who got time for that? You know what I'm saying? You started the day with some flowers and then you end the day with no flowers. Cause these ain't going nowhere. These little gold things, they on here to stay, honey. Okay. So that is it, y'all. Very short, very quick and to the point. But that is my current nail collection and storage solution. I'll be sure to link everything that I can in the description box below. Let me know how you store your nails and how many nails are in your current collection. Since you made it this far, you might as well join the tribe of baddies on a budget, honey, and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're the first to be notified every time I post a new video. And you might as well follow me on IG and TikTok. Until next time, girl, watch this video that was picked specifically for you.